Hi everyone, good day! In this video, I'll be teaching you how to fix Windows error 0x80242016. Okay, first things first, sometimes external devices may interfere with the update process. So, start by disconnecting all peripherals and Bluetooth devices. Restart then your computer, unplug your router, and wait for about 30 seconds. After that, just plug your router back in and check if the error persists. Then, open the command prompt as an administrator. Run the following commands one by one and hit enter after each command bash. Copy code sfc/scannow dism/online/cleanup-image/restore help. After running these commands, just restart your computer and check for updates again. Open then the Windows settings and select Update and Security and click on Troubleshoot in the left pane. Select then the Windows Update and click the Run the Troubleshooter and let the troubleshooter scan and attempt to fix any system issues. Anyways, if you like content like this, don't forget to subscribe to this channel or comment down below any tutorials you want us to make so we can help you. And that's it. You can now fix Windows error 0x80242016. Thanks for watching and happy scrolling.